This week I'm coming to you from my friend's house here in Charlotte because I am pet sitting for 2 Italian Greyhounds and a German Shepherd. So in case you hear some footsteps in the background or balls being thrown, they're coming from these little babies. So just know that we might get photobombed along this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to pick your avocados. And there is a 3-step process to this, with the third one being a secret you may or may not know about. Number 1, you want to look at appearance. What do your avocados look like? Are they green? Are they dark? Are they black? Are they brown? What color are they? What color is the skin? Be careful, because when they're fully green, sometimes they ripen and sometimes they just go straight to spoiling. So you want to always try to get them semi-ripe. So that's the first step. Look at the appearance. What do they look like? You want to make sure they look good. You want to make sure they're semi-brown and semi-green. They're not fully green and they're not fully brown or black. Step number 2 is feeling them up. Feel for bruises, feel for any kind of soft spots. You want to make sure that they are semi-hard and semi-soft. You don't want to go too hard and you don't want to go too soft. So semi-soft, because if you go too soft, chances are it's already spoiling and you're going to have little brown spots once you open them up. They're going to have little brown marks or little brown spots, and you don't want them to have that. You want them to be fully green and luscious and looking good, ready to eat. So that's number 2, what they feel like. So they should be semi-hard, semi-soft, so that they can ripen up within the next day or so and they'll be ready to eat. Now, if you want to eat one right away, make sure you get one that is still semi-green and semi-brown on the skin, but more so brown than green, and feel it. Is it softer than hard? A little more than semi-soft. So those are the ones that are going to be ready to eat. Now, step number 3 is this little trick that you may or may not know about. And if you look at the stem, the little piece at the top of the head of the avocado, if you pull it off and it's brown on the inside, that's typically semi-ripe and ready to go. Okay, so let's recap. What does it take to pick a good avocado? Number 1, appearance. Number 2, feel. And number 3, the little stem that should be brown when you take it off. So this is my 3-step process for picking my avocados. If I want them to last, I'm gonna get a few of them, and one's gonna be semi-ripe, one's gonna be a little bit more than semi-ripe, and the other one's going to be more on the green side, but still a little browning on the skin, because you don't wanna get it too green, or else, like I said, sometimes it'll go straight to spoiling instead of ripening. Now here's a bonus. If you're not ready to eat them yet, you can buy yourself some time by putting them in the refrigerator. Or another thing you can do is separate them. If you're gonna leave them outside, separate them from the other fruit. Put them by themselves, and that way they don't ripen as quickly. So that's it. I hope you are feeling much more knowledgeable about picking your avocados. And if so, give it a thumbs up and comment below and let me know what you think, or share some of your tips of how to preserve your avocados or fruit. I would love to hear all about it. Until the next one, hope you have an awesome week ahead, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos to come.